Facing a tough time choosing the perfect replacements for repairing your Sta-Rite pumps? We at Pump Products are here to help. We offer repair and replacement parts for all the Sta-Rite pump series, starting from the CC Series High Head, CC Series Medium Head, D Series High Head to the SSJ Series. Designed with perfection, we have a full line of replacement parts for all kinds of Sta-Rite pumps, including well pumps, jet pumps, shallow well jet pumps, deep well jet pumps, convertible jet well pumps, centrifugal pumps, booster pumps, irrigation pumps, submersible water pumps. The Sta-Rite pump parts and repair kits comprise pump flanges, jet pump parts, water pump parts, motors, impellers, mechanical seals, pump seals, shafts, pump sleeves, pump housings, bearings, gaskets, wear rings, and rotating assemblies. Pump Products is a leading Sta-Rite Pumps online pump repair parts dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Sta-Rite pumps and parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.